Okay students, in previous class we discussed optical isomerism and some more definitions we are going to discuss. In that part you have to know enantiomers. Okay. Enantiomers, racemic mixture, retention we are going to discuss in this class. See, first of all you have to know enantiomers. Enantiomers. What are enantiomers means? The stereoisomers which are related as non-superimposable mirror images are known as enantiomers. I am going to explain. Okay. The stereoisomers which are related as non-superimposable mirror images. Non-superimposable mirror images are known as enantiomers. Okay. For example, D, L are plus or minus lactic acid. Okay. See, its formula is CH3CHOH. Its formula. Okay. Its formula is like this. CH3CHOH. I am writing configuration. Carbon is the central atom. See, I am writing configuration H, OH, COOH and CH3. So, writing like this, it is nothing but configuration. So, if you keep mirror, it is a mirror. This image seems to be like this. CH, OH, COOH and CH3. So, the image of this is like this. So, here H group is left side now. So, it is nothing but D-lactic acid or plus lactic acid. D-lactic acid or plus lactic acid. It is L-lactic acid or minus lactic acid. These two are non-superimposable mirror images. Non-superimposable mirror images. Impossible mirror images. Okay. So, these are non-superimposable mirror images. This is nothing but enantiomers. Understand? So, the stereoisomers which are related as non-superimposable mirror images are known as enantiomers. So, enantiomers means, for explaining enantiomers I am taking lactic acid. So, lactic in front of enantiomers we may keep DL or plus or minus lactic acid. Plus means dextro rotation, minus means levo rotation, plus means clockwise, minus means anti-clockwise. So this is if you keep mirror in between these two, so the compounds be like this. So it is non-superimposable mirror images. If you keep ball in the mirror that seems to be like a ball, that is a superimposable mirror images. So this carbon is nothing but a chiral carbon. The process of giving non-superimposable mirror images is nothing but a chirality. It is optically active compound. Understand? Next you have to know racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. So what is racemic mixture means? Equal portions of enantiomers. Equal portions of enantiomers is known as racemic mixture. Equal portions of enantiomers. Enantiomers, okay, are known as racemic mixture. Are known as racemic mixture. So next 50% L isomer and 50% D isomer. 50% L isomer and 50% D isomer is called racemic mixture. Is called racemic mixture. Okay, the process of converting enantiomers into racemic mixture is called racemization. The process of converting enantiomers into racemic mixture is called racemization. Okay, so here example butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. It is example for racemic mixture. Okay, butane 2-ol. So its formula is CH3CHOH2CH3, like this its formula. Okay, so here configuration I am writing CHOH C2H5CH3. Okay, 1 2 3 4, like this we may write. Or if you take here CH3 then C2H5. So its mirror image is COH CH, CH3, C2H5. Okay, it is a 50%. It is H is left side, so it is a D isomer. Okay, D 2 butanol. It is nothing but a D. So it is nothing but a D butane 2 ol. It is L butane 2 ol. Okay, so it is a 50%. It is a 50%. Okay, so this is nothing but a racemic mixture. It is nothing but a racemic mixture. Okay, then it is enantiomers and this is a racemic mixture. Next you have to know retention configuration and inversion configuration. Okay, so we have to discuss. Understand, it is a butane 2 ol, it is a D-butane 2 ol, it is L-butane 2 ol. H is a left side D-butane and H is a right side butane, L-butane 2 ol. Okay, so this is the way. It is a 50%, that is a 50%. 50% of D isomer and 50% of L isomer is nothing but a racemic mixture. Okay, so this is enantiomers and a racemic mixture. These two are very important. Next, you have to know retention configuration. Retention configuration. Retention configuration. Okay, what is retention means? During the chemical reaction, conservation of integrity of spatial arrangement of atoms in a optical compound is called retention. Okay, see here, during a chemical reaction, conservation of integrity of spatial arrangement of groups, integrity of spatial arrangement of functional groups in optical compound, in optical compound, in optical compound. See, during a chemical reaction, conservation integrity of spatial arrangement of functional groups in around a carbon atom, functional groups around a carbon atom, around a carbon atom in optical organic inorganic in optical compound. Okay, so during a chemical reaction, conservation integrity of spatial arrangement of functional groups around a carbon atom in a optical compound is known as retention. See for example, here I am taking C Br H CH3 like this molecule. So if nucleophile is added to this, then what happened? OH minus is as it is, the position of the Br minus substituted. OH minus replaces Br as it is its position. So here CH3, here OH, here H, and here CH3. Okay, it is a retention. It is a retention. It is a retention configuration. See, if you add same OH minus to this, then what happened? C H OH, then CH3 and CH3. So here Br minus position is here, but OH minus forms here. It is inversion. So here the molecule is opposite to this. The formation of the molecule is opposite to this. So it is nothing but a inversion. It is nothing but a inversion. Okay. So this is inversion, this is a retention. Understand? So here OH minus, so the product is, these two are enantiomers. Okay, this one and this one are enantiomers. Okay, now here you have to know these two are known as enantiomers. Okay, it is a retention. It is a retention, it is a inversion. Okay, example. Here example we may say formation of methyl alcohol. Here example we may say formation of propane or butane 2-ol. If you take here C2H5, here if you take here C2H5, if you take here C2H5, it is nothing but a butane 2, formation of butane 2-ol. It is example, formation of butane 2-ol. It is a CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. Understand? Its formula it is. So this is inversion, this is a retention. Now you have to know inversion plus retention is equal to enantiomers. Understand? Here integrity is retains. Here integrity will be changes. Integrity of the compound is retains. Here integrity of the compound will be changes. So it is nothing but inversion. It is nothing but a retention. The mixture of inversion plus retention is nothing but a enantiomers. Understand? So this is briefly retention.